Now, Safaricom Ethiopia have today launched their mobile network in Addis Ababa, bringing 4G and 3G services to Ethiopia's capital and 11 other cities. And further, an agreement has been reached with the federal government for Safaricom Ethiopia to bring M-PESA services to more than 110 million people across the country. The announcement was made by Ethiopian Finance Ministry during the official launch in Addis Ababa, where the Kenyan-listed mobile network was granted a nationwide full service, a unified telecommunications service license. Safaricom Ethiopia's 2G, 3G and 4G mobile services are now available in 11 cities, and the company plans to launch services in a total of 25 cities by April 2023 to meet the 25% population coverage obligation in its license deployed $300 million US, that's about 36.3 billion shillings so far in its infrastructure rollout in Ethiopia, as it has currently inked an infrastructure sharing agreement with Ethio Telecom to use its towers.
From the east, and we're moving gradually. As the network becomes ready, we move into a new city, and now is the time for the big city, Addis. So thank you for being here. We're launching now, or we've launched already with about 450 sites. Addis is around 300 sites, covering roughly 90% of the population. The network that's being built here is probably one of the most modern networks in the world. It's 5G enabled, but we're only going to be switching on 2G, 3G, and 4G initially, as this is where most of the demand is. Once we get that right, we'll be moving on probably to 5G.
So for the emerging new business men and women who have found, especially the dealers in the marketplace, who are building businesses from scratch. Before I came here this week, I met 450 dealers or distributors in Nairobi. And I told them that I was coming for the official launch of our business in Ethiopia. And many of them who were there at the beginning, when Safaricom was launched 22 years ago, remember where they started and what they have become as a result of being involved in such a business. So I'm looking forward to working, or we are looking forward to working with this new set of businesses to actually create an ecosystem of dealers and agencies that will allow them to become, to earn from and really support a large number of people. And Anwar has referenced that we expect that to, at the end of the day, will cover at least indirectly 1 million people in terms of job.